Okay, for this next outcome, again we have communicating clearly, accurately, expressively, and appropriately to engage students in learning. So I chose to showcase my oral presentation skills lesson plan. And the reason I chose this one is because it was a really good example of me being able to communicate with students and engage them in the process of learning. So what I did was I pretended to exhibit terrible speaking skills, and I had the kids identify what I did wrong during my demonstration. And then afterwards we wrote it all on the board, and then I came back and I did a presentation where I was looking up, my voice was clear, and I was showing those really good oral presentation skills. So the students got to see both sides of what the presentation could look like if it was a bad one, and what the presentation would look like if it was a good one. Now the students were really engaged in this lesson, and I think it was a different approach of teaching oral presentation skills. I could have just stood there and said, do this, do this, do this, but with them actually getting the chance to see the difference between the bad and the good, I think that really helped with their confidence and with their understanding of what was expected of them. So what I think I can take from this evidence is that it's important to always find ways to engage students and not just tell them how to do things, because they won't respond as well to that as if you show them and lead by example. So as a beginning teacher, what I think this means is that you just have to keep finding new ways to continue to push yourself to always find the best way to teach any lesson content, whether it's oral presentation skills or a math lesson. It should always be engaging, it should always be show, don't tell, and it should always be about the kids and what they can learn the most from. So that outcome was communicating clearly, accurately, expressively, and appropriately to engage students in learning.